Good morning Year 7 and welcome to today's maths lesson. Let's start off with a quick starter, shall we? Can you work out £2.56 multiplied by 4? Can you then find a third of 9? And if 5 pencils cost £3, how much do 25 pencils cost? Pause the video and work out those questions now please in your light blue books. Okay, let's go through the answers. So £2.56 multiplied by 4, I'm going to use a column method, so I've got 2.56 multiplied by 4. Ellen, what's 4 times 6? 24, thank you. Jasper, what's 5 times 4? 20 plus 2 gives me 22. And KJ, what's 2 times 4? 8 plus 2 gives me 10. Now my decimal place for £2.56 is 2 places along, so I need to go to my answer and divide my answer by 100. So I've divided 256 by 100 to give me 2.56, so I need to divide my answer by 100, which gives me £10.24. Next question, find a third of 9. I need to do 9 divided by 3 for that one. Ione, what's 9 divided by 3? 3, thanks very much. And finally, if 5 pencils cost £3, how much do 25 pencils cost? So 5 pencils is going to be £3. 5 pencils is £3. So Katie, what would 10 pencils be? Great, £6. So what would 15 pencils be, Zara? £9, lovely. What would 20 pencils be, Ellen? Lovely, £12. And Macy Jane, what would 25 pencils cost me? £15, lovely. So 5 times 5 gives me 25, so 3 times 5 gives me £15. Right, this is our lesson destination for today. We're going to be comparing the costs of items in different shops and similarly comparing the costs of items in different packet sizes. First up, a quick recap. How do I multiply decimals by whole numbers? For starters, if I wanted to work out £1.55 or 1.55 times 7, if I use the column method, I could start by working out what 155 times 7 is. 5 times 7 gives me 35. 5 times 7 gives me 35 plus 3 gives me 38. And 1 times 7 gives me 7 plus 3 gives me 10. But to go from 155 to 1.55, I've divided my number by 100. So I need to do the same for my answer. I need to divide that by 100 too. So I get 10.85. Secondly, if I've got 7 times 0.55, I'm going to start by working out what 55 times 7 would be. 5 times 7 gives me 35. 5 times 7 gives me 35 plus 3 gives me 38. So I've got 385, but I've divided the 55 by 100 to get me 0.55. There it is. So I need to do the same to my answer, divide that by 100, which gives me 3.85. This is something we've already covered, so hopefully we should be quite confident on this. Can you pause the video now and in your light blue books have a go at these questions for me? Spend about 10 minutes on this now. And these are the answers. Please check your work and see how you did. Okay, Year 7, can you pause the video for a minute or two? Have a go at filling out this multiplication table. So in this gap here, you need to do 4 times 2.87. In this gap here, I need 4 times 3.45. And if you're confident, have a go at my extension. You can put the numbers 0 to 9 into that first box. You can put a digit from 2 to 9 into the second. And I need an answer between 6 and 8. Have a go, just put some numbers in there and see what you get. See if you can get an answer between 6 and 8. Pause the video for a couple of minutes and have a go at that now, please. Okay, Year 7, here are the answers. Please check how you did. Right, today we're going to be looking at comparing the cost of items and scaling up. As always, I'm going to do an example and then you're going to do an example. So pens down and eyes on me while I go through the first example. I've gone to Tesco's and I found that a pack of 3 cans of baked beans is going to cost me £1.10. I found that a pack of 2 cans of baked beans cost me 95p or £0.95. I want to buy 6 cans of beans. Which of the packs should I buy? I'm going to compare these using the bar model. So I know that I can buy 3 cans for £1.10. I want 6 cans, so I need 3 cans plus another 3 cans. So that's going to give me £1.10 multiplied by 2, because I need 2 lots of it. 0 times 2 gives me 0, 1 times 2 gives me 2, and 1 times 2 gives me 2. So if I buy the sets of 3 cans, it's going to cost me £2.20 for 6 cans. However, if I want to buy the sets of 2 cans, I'm going to need 1, 2, 3 lots of them to get 6 cans. I needed 2 lots of the 3 cans, or 3 lots of the 2 cans to give me 6. That's going to cost me 0.95 multiplied by 3, because I need 3 lots of it. 5 times 3 gives me 15. 9 times 3 gives me 27, plus 1 gives me 28. But I've just worked out 95 times 3. I've divided the 95 by 100 to get 0.95. I need to do the same with my answer. So in the 2 cans packets, it's going to cost me £2.85 for 6. But in the 3 cans packets, it's going to cost me £2.20. So I want to buy 2 lots of the 3 cans packets. Over to you, Year 7. In your dark blue books, can you write the title Comparing the Cost of Items, Scaling Up? And then can you have a go at this question for me? Pause the video for a couple of minutes and work that out now, please. Okay, let's go through the answers. So in Sainsbury's, a pack of 3 cans costs £1.20. So I know that I can get 1, 2, 3 cans, and that's going to cost me £1.20. I've been asked to buy 6 cans, so I'm going to need 2 packs of those 3 cans. That second pack of 3 cans is going to cost me £1.20. So the total cost is going to be £1.20 multiplied by 2, which should give you £2.40. Alternatively, I could buy the 2 cans packs. How many of those am I going to need, Zara? Great, I'm going to need 3 lots of those 2 can packs to get 6, aren't I? 1, 2, 3. Each of those 2 packs cost me £1.08. So to buy 3 lots of them, I need to do £1.08 multiplied by 3. 8 times 3 gives me 24. 0 times 3 gives me 0, plus 2 gives me 2. So if I bought the 2 packs, it's going to cost me £3.24, much cheaper to buy 2 lots of the 3 cans. Okay, Year 7, I'm going to go through another example and then you're going to do an example. So pens down and eyes on me. In Lidl, I can buy a pack of 5 cans for £1.10. I can buy a pack of 4 cans for 95p. I want to buy 20 cans of beans. Which pack shall I buy? Here's my packs of 5 cans for £1.10. I want to buy 20 cans, so I'm going to need 1, 2, 3, 4 lots of them to give me 20 cans altogether. And that's going to cost me £1.10 times by 4, £4.40. Alternatively, I could buy packs of 4 cans. Now a pack of 4 cans is going to cost me 95p. However, I'm going to need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lots of those in order to get 20 cans. And what's that going to cost me? 0.95 times by 5, which costs me 25. 25, 9 times 5 is 45, 46, 47. £4.75. So I'd be better off buying 4 packs of the 5 cans rather than 5 packs of the 4 cans, because it's cheaper. Over to you, Year 7. In your dark blue books, can you have a go at this question for me? Pause the video for a few minutes and have a go now, please. Okay, let's go through it. In Aldi, a pack of 5 cans costs £1.20. I need 20 cans, so I need 4 lots of those 5 cans to give me 20 cans. So I need to do £1.20 multiplied by 4. 0 times 4 is 0, 2 times 4 is 8, and 1 times 4 is 4. So to buy 4 packs of 5 cans, it's going to cost me £4.80. Alternatively, I could buy 5 packs of the 4 cans. But how much would that cost me? I've got £1.08. I'm multiplying it by 5. 8 times 5 gives me 40. 0 times 5 gives me 0, plus 4 gives me 4. 1 times 5 gives me 5. So I could either buy, to get 20 cans, 4 lots of the 5 pack, which would cost me £4.80, or 5 lots of the 4 pack, which would cost me £5.40. So I'm better off buying the 5 packs of cans. Okay, Year 7, in your light blue books, can you pause the video for a few minutes and work out these questions? If you need to buy 4 litres of milk, what should you buy? The 1 litre bottles, the 2 litre bottles, or the 4 litre bottle? And if you need to buy 12 packets of crisps, should you buy the 4 packs, the 6 packs, or the 12 packs to give you 12 overall? Pause the video for a few minutes and have a go at those questions in your light blue books, please. And these are the answers. Please check how you did. Okay, sometimes we like to shop around, and we like to shop in different shops in order to get the best price of something. If you're buying clothes, you'd go to different clothes shops, compare the price of various different clothes and choose the cheapest. In this case, we're buying tins of beans again. Always like buying tins of beans. We can go to Best Buys, and there I can buy a pack of 6 cans of beans for £2.57. Alternatively, I could go to the food market and buy a 4 pack of beans for £2.05. I want to buy 24 cans of beans altogether. Where should I shop? Let's work it out. If I went to Best Buys, I could buy 6 for £2.57. I could buy 12 for £2.57 plus another £2.57. I could buy 18 for 3 lots of £2.57, but I want 24, so I need 4 lots of £2.57. What's that going to cost me? £2.57 multiplied by 4. 7 times 4 is 28. 5 times 4 is 20 plus 2 gives me 22. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 2. So that's going to cost me £10.28 if I chose to shop in Best Buys. If I chose to shop in the food market, I could buy a 4-pack of cans for £2.05. I want 24, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lots of that, because 6 times 4 gives me 24. So I need to do £2.05 multiplied by 6. 5 times 6 is 30. 0 times 6 is 0 plus 3. So that would cost me £12.30. So shopping at the food market would cost me £12.30. Shopping at Best Buys would cost me £10.28. So Dan, where should I shop? I should shop at Best Buys, it would be cheaper. Over to you, Year 7, in your light blue books. Can you have a go at this question for me? Pause the video for a couple of minutes and work it out now. Right, let's go through the answer. Just clear away my previous one. This was yours. I said in Aldi a pack of 6 cans cost £2.57 and in Lidl a pack of 8 cans cost £3.10. You wanted to buy 24 cans of beans. Where should you shop? So if you bought the 6 packs from Aldi, you're going to need 4 lots of those to get 24, because 4 times 6 gives me 24. That's going to cost you £2.57 multiplied by 4. 7 times 4 is 28. 5 times 4 plus 2, 22. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 2, £10.28. Alternatively, if you went to Lidl and bought 8 cans, you'd need 3 lots of those to get 24, because 3 times 8 is 24. So we need to do £3.10 multiplied by 3. 0 times 3 is 0, 1 times 3 is 3, 3 times 3 is 9, so that would cost me £9.30. So the cheaper place to shop would be Lidl. Over to you, Year 7. In your light blue books, pause the video for a couple of minutes and have a go at this question for me. And here's the answer. Please check how you did. And then pause the video for a few minutes and have a go at this question for me, Year 7. And here's my answer. Please check how you did. And that's the end of today's lesson. Head over to Google Classroom and complete my exit ticket, please. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.